Hello students, we are gathered here to see the second part of the chapter number 8, that is PowerPoint creating slides. In this first chapter we have seen many things, we have learned many things like uh, creating a blank presentation with design theme, then adding a new slide to the presentation, adding text to the slide, then selecting text, changing the font of the text, changing the font size, then color, changing the alignment of the text. All this we have learned. Correct. Adding pictures, online pictures or pictures from the file, all that we have learned. Now we are going to learn few more things. That everything we will see now. See here, adding a table. Table is used to organize data in rows and columns. You can add a table to your slide. Create the fourth slide and add a text and change the layout that includes a placeholder for a table. See, this is the placeholder for the table. Click on this, a dialog box will get open. You have to select the rows and columns accordingly and click on OK. After that, a table will get inserted and you have to type the data in that. See, system software, and whenever you want to change the uh, uh, whenever you want to move the cursor, either make use of arrow keys or simply press the enter key. It will get cell will get changed and you can write and you can finish the data. After that, adding a chart. Charts tell you a story with a brief viewing and can convey statistical information quickly. Create the fifth slide, add text and change the layout that includes a placeholder for the chart. Same layout here, you can insert the chart and click on that. So it will ask you, uh, in the chart dialog box that which chart you want, the chart type it will display. Out of that you select the chart and select the variant clustered columns. Here we have selected and click on OK. See, OK button is here. So that chart will get inserted and you will get the Excel table here. If you want to change the data from the table, you can change the data. Okay, chart data. And now after that we will see adding a smart art. What is smart art? You can use smart art graphics to illustrate a process or a structure. Smart art means whenever you want to present a data in different way, you can use smart art graphics to illustrate a process or structure. PowerPoint offers many smart art layouts to help you communicate with your audience graphically. Okay, so smart art option is also here. Whenever you will click on this, a smart art dialog box will get open. In this, it will show you many smart art options. On that, you select whatever you want and click on OK. So accordingly, the uh, chart will get inserted and you can write the data in that. It will show you the text, how it is inserted, and you can insert the data in that. Okay. Now after that, so many things we have learned. Now we will see what is adding media clips. Media clips means video clips, how to add in that. Now for that what you have to do again, select the slide in this manner, give the title, and here you can add the media clip through this icon. Click on that icon. So what will happen, a dialog box will get open. In that it will show you the files which are having the video clips. Here I have selected this particular video and I'm clicking on insert. So it will get inserted and you can see the video got inserted, and here you can see the play button below the video. You click on that, it will start playing in the slide. Okay, now next is that slide transition. Now different things we have seen how to insert in that. Now what is slide transition? Transition means whenever one slide, you can add transition to your slides in your presentation. A transition is a visual effect that appears when you move from one slide to another. You can apply a transition in normal or slide sorter view to a slide, single slide or multiple slides or all the slides. Okay, for how to do that, select the slide which you want. Then click on the transition tab. This is the transition tab, and click on any transition effect. Select the transition effect from this and click on that. So that transition will get applied. Now effects for the transition means smoothly from right to left or left to right, from top to bottom, left to right to left. All these options will get available. Accordingly you select it. So after changing means when one slide is going and the another slide is coming, that time it will show you that transition effect. Remove the transition effect. Sometimes we don't want the transition effect which we have given. For that, what to do? Select the slide where you don't want to do. Repeat the steps 1 to 3 earlier shown. Means what? Select the slides, go to transition tab and then select, click on that arrow, and many transition types will get displayed. Click on none out of that, means the transition which you have given. If you want to remove for all slides, click on all slides, so it will get removed for all slides. Now adding animation effect. Now what is meant by animation? Animation is the illusion of movement by showing a series of still pictures in the rapid succession. Animation effects make the PowerPoint slideshow interesting and give it professional look. Now how to add animation, that we will see. For that you have to click on the slide element to which you want to add animation in normal view. Click on the animation tab on the ribbon. This is animation tab. You have to click on the animation tab. Click on the animation effects. So many animation effects are there. But first in the slide, for which object or for which text you want to give animation, that you have to select first. Then go to click on the animation tab and then select the animation effect which you want to give to your object or particular text. Now, PowerPoint immediately previews the effect on the slide as assigns a sequence number to the object or element. You can click on preview button to preview the effect. And here you will get that on this particular slide we have given one first transitional effect for this particular picture. If you will give the transition effects for this animation effect for these text, these lines of text, that also it will get displayed here on this in this corner. Okay, animation effects. Now this whenever you are applying animation, the animation pan is more important, because on one slide you have given animations for different objects and different text also. That time it will show you the list of animations which you have used for which either for the object or for the text. For that, what you have to do, go to animation tabs and animation pan is there. It will get open on the right hand side and you can see the list of animations which you have given. Running a presentation means whenever you have done so much efforts you have taken to do the presentation, you want to show this to audience. That time how to do that? For that, what we have to do, we have to go to slideshow tab. Click on slideshow tab, click on the slideshow tab. After that, click on from the beginning. See, generally we are starting from the beginning, so select this option from the beginning and it will start showing the slides. It will start running the slides. To display the next slide, click on the next button or click anywhere on the current slide. See, this is next button. You have to click on this next button. Otherwise, simply click anywhere on the slide, the next slide will appear. If you want to go to previous slide, this is previous button is also available. You can go to the previous button. See here, previous button is available. Go to the previous button. Click on the previous button. It will show you the previous slide. Okay. So, and whenever the slideshow ends, that time like this black screen it will come, and click on the screen to exit the slideshow or press simply escape key. It will come to the normal, it will come to the first slide and it will come to the normal view. Now, after doing a presentation, after showing the presentation, if you want to save the presentation, what to do? Saving a presentation, click on File tab, then Backstage view will appear. Whenever you are clicking on the File tab in the presentation, it will show you the Save As screen, and here Save As option you have to select and you have to click on the Browse option. After clicking on the Browse option, it will show you which folders, which files are available. Out of that, select the particular folder where you want to save it, give the file name properly and click on save button. After that, the file will get saved and the name will come on the title bar of the file. Now, printing a presentation. Using the print preview, you can use the print preview feature to see what your printout looks like before printing so that you do not waste paper for printing. Printing means on the hard copy, means on the paper if we want the presentation which we have done. But that before that we should have a print preview. How the printout will look like. For that, what options we have to try? Again, from the slideshow, from the normal view, click on the File tab and select Print option. After selecting Print option, Print dialog box will get open. Then drag and scroll bar to move to any other slide in the presentation. Which slide you want? Otherwise, this you have to drag it the scroll bar. Okay. Now, whichever slides you want to print, you can print it. Now print handouts. Now what is handout? Now you can print the handouts also. You can use the handout feature to help audience follow along with you whenever you are doing the presentation. Means for all the slides, you will get the printout along with the slides details. All the slides printout you can get, or you can give it to the audience whenever you are running the presentation. They can also go through it, the handouts. Okay, for handouts, what are the things, what are the steps to be taken? Click on file, again backstage view appears. Click on print and under the settings option, click on the down arrow of print layout section. Here, print layout section. Click on the layout under the handout section. See, whenever you will click on the print layout section, you will get these many options. Out of that, this one we are selecting and click on that. So it will show you how it will you will get the handouts for this, and then click on print. If too many printers are available, select the proper printer which is available for you and then click on print option. It will get printed for you. Like this, so many things we have learned in PowerPoint, like how to create the blank presentation, how to apply the theme, how to apply the design, or how to apply the transition effect, how to give the animation effect, how to print the handouts, how to see the print preview and all. So many things we have learned. So whenever you want to present anything in front of the audience, in front of the group, that time try to make use of all these features in your presentation. Okay, whenever you will get this video, most probably you will get the notes for this chapter also. Try to complete the notes for this chapter. Okay, then bye. See you.